range of animations to give the finishing touch to any flip chart. To apply page turn effects to your entire flip chart, go to View and select Page Turn Effects. Hover your cursor over the thumbnails to preview effects. Select your chosen effect and click Done. Effects run when you navigate from one page to another with the Previous Page and Next Page buttons, or when an action triggers a page navigation. Note that effects are disabled when you navigate with the page browser, when in design mode, when Spotlight and Revealer tools are in use, or when in desktop annotation mode. To change the effect for a single page, go to Property Browser and look for the Page menu. Select the 3 horizontal dots next to Page Turn Effects. This will apply the effect only to run when you navigate away from this particular page. To switch effects off, return to Page Turn Effects and select None.